We're responding to any infections like illness, whether it's flu, MRSA, which is infection contact. We'll be wearing isolation gear. So first thing we're going to do is clean our hands. And this is just a alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And we'll be using a fluid repellent gown. Ideally, we have a partner tie up the back for us. If we are tying it up on our own, we don't want to tie it up in front of us because it creates a pocket where any fluid or contaminants can get caught and cause contamination that way. Thank you, Ryan. After we get our gown on, we're going to be putting on a N95 respirator mask, which prevents any inhaled object or contamination to us as first responders, paramedics, After we get our mask on, then what we're going to do is we're going to put a visor on, which prevents any droplets contacting our skin or our eyes. And our last step is going to be putting on our gloves, which go over our cuff to prevent our skin from being contacted with any droplets or infectious material. And this is the attire that we typically wear for responding to any infectious like illness or contamination effect.